Hey guys, welcome back to some more Roblox. Today we are playing Airplane Story. This is the first story game on my YouTube channel, so I hope you enjoy it. But now we're gonna get in one of the gates, so that way we can play. So gate, okay, the gate. Okay, this gate has some players, so I'm gonna go inside it. Okay. Let's go. Okay, Everly Elsa. Gucci. She has Gucci on. Okay, so G6. D6. Okay, so I'm gonna be looking for D. Oh, there's D. Now I have to look for 6. Ooh, I'm in the middle. That's always good. Okay. So let's go. Let's go. Hi, boy. Hi. Hello, Captain. Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 5,756. We are currently flying at an altitude of 3,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. I'm just gonna stay here because I'm scared. Sorry if you wanted me to explore the airplane. It just says feel free, so it doesn't say for you. So I'm fine. Now please find your seats as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. I wonder what happens if you don't go to your seat. You'd probably die or take damage. Let's see for people who don't take their seat. Oh, they just took damage, that's all. Okay, they just took damage. Okay, that's good that they didn't die or anything, because that would be kind of sad. Thank you for your cooperation. Why is the C capitalized? That's weird. Maybe it's a Cooper. Asian. Get ready as our crew member prepares a snack for everybody. I've been in other story games, but not in this channel, and usually there would be poison or something bad inside of them. So let's see. Sandwich. No. I'm not gonna eat the sandwich. I am not gonna. Okay, I'm gonna eat the sandwich. Okay, I ate the sandwich. Okay, I ate the sandwich. Okay, I'm scared. Wait a second. Zero burrito. Oh my goodness, I'm not feeling very well. What's happening? Are you okay? Wait, this sandwich has mayo? Yeah, what's wrong with that? I'm allergic to mayo. Then why didn't the captain ask them to say if they were allergic to any food? Oh no, quickly, we need to find Zero burritos. Baggage. Okay. Hey, Zero burrito. Zero burrito. Oh, nice. You just found it in 3 seconds. 3.01 seconds. Phew, that was a close one. Not really. It only took 1 second to find it. That wasn't very close. Good afternoon to all passengers. Hi, I inform you we've reached we reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Okay, Z. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. Blah! I'm stretching my legs. Okay, stretch my legs. We only have a few hours to go. Okay, I'm gonna just sleep through it. Just sleep through all the hours. Okay. What the egg, bro? Bro, what the egg? Eggs, Eggo. let go my egg go. What the egg happened? What the egg? I'm an egg. What happened? Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? Wait a second. It's over here. I don't see anything. Bro, what is that, bro? Bro! Do you guys see that? Look it! What is that thing? What is that thing? Snakes? Oh, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god. That's terrifying! That's terrifying! That's so scary. That's so scary! Oh my god, I'm dying. Snakes. This is so scary. Guys? Wait, what? Okay, get inside. Okay, I'm kind of lost some. I took some damage, guys. That's not good. I took some damage. I need my health. I don't want to die. But we're in the bathroom. Oh, someone's taking a little, you know. That was scary. Yeah, I screamed. We should discuss what the heck is happening. There is a weird monster, and it used snakes to try to kill us. That's scary. I'm scared. That's scary. Okay, I'm getting back in my seat. Yeah, power's back up. Yeah, yay. That's amazing. Wait a second. Okay, I'm gonna check on the other people, like the crew members and everything, or the captain. You can't go on the captain, so okay, where are the crews? Why is there scissors here? Your attention passengers, I have good news and bad news. Okay, I'm gonna get back in. The good news, the power's back up. Yeah, we know that, blah. The bad news, we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. No. Get it. Okay, I have an oxygen thing. Okay, guys, I have an oxygen thing. Okay, you have one. Are you guys okay? Bro! Oh my god, someone just died. Yeet Elmo! Oh no, not Yeet Elmo! That's a funny name, Yeet Elmo. Okay, his body disappeared into thin air. The mask will keep you safe until we stabilize oxygen levels. Okay. What's gonna happen next? Oh my god. What is this? Oh! Wait, the scissors to cut the wires. Oh yeah. We can use the scissors. Okay, that's on the other side. Can I please get the scissors? Or do we even need the scissors? Yes, I found the scissors. Wait. Do I get to choose which ones to cut? Which ones? Blue. I'm sorry if this is wrong.